Hello, fellow traders. Richard here with Lionheart Elliott Wave Analysis, back again with another quick dose of Elliott Wave Analysis. Now, there's a few things that I would like to share with you all right here. And basically, I'm looking at the dollar index, possibly pulling out a joker and cheating here, right? So the way the dollar index could actually do that is by doing this view right here on the upside, which we would be basically temporary bullish outcome towards 91.40, let's say, hitting this fibs right here. I will go into in this entire corrective structure a bit later on, but the thing is that what I want to show you is a possible head and shoulders formation right here. And due to the fractal pattern, this basically history can repeat itself. Yeah. So let's basically go on the December 12th, basically the view that I had on the formation for the second wave as well, doing an ending diagonal and a bearish divergence. Yeah. So just like you guys see it right here. Yeah, on the 61.8 fibs of 1, basically this minute one red. Wave 2 hit the 61.8 and also the from A to B the 161.8 for the C, thus completing the 2 minute red. Okay, so then of course, obviously, as you guys know, and many of you actually felt this, those who are following me obviously gained on this bearish outcome. Yeah, but the thing is, yeah, let me just okay, so right here, what actually happened now? I'm looking at this as a on the downside. I'm looking at this as a false breakout, and I'm going to explain to you why I'm looking at this why I'm looking at that like that. So we're basically here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze this entire corrective structure. It's still correcting. I don't really see an imminent bullish run right there. So let me just put this thing for you guys and let me share with you my thoughts here. Okay, so okay, there we go, nice and tidy. All right, so everything started off with an A and then B in a flat and then the C right here in an impulse. Yeah, and right here actually I was prepared for the bullish outcome. This is the video. Okay, all right, which one is it? Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, there we go. And next to you guys, why I'm expecting that to rise. So basically, went on the upside right here, and you can see that I was expecting the down. Yeah. So we didn't go in an impulse 5 ways on the downside. Kept on correcting. So I said, okay, the structure is still um, extending, yeah, in a complex WXY double free. Yeah, so far we have an expanded flat in a double free formation. So because of this false breakout, and the way I'm seeing this is as a false breakout, WX and then ABC. Okay. Now the point is that if I'm trying to label this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, the 4 comes inside the price action territory of wave 1. I know it's a wick. I mean, it could be accepted in some traders' views, but it's not as long as wave 1 because wave 3 was extended. So I wouldn't really accept this as an impulse 5, so I can actually start looking up as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus that this move went in a free wave on the upside, and plus if this was, let's say for instance 1 2 and then 1 2 for the extension free, this would go beyond the start of 1, invalidating another rule. So no, invalidated. Yeah, the scenario is not like that. So I'm going to stick with this false breakout, which was also called right, I believe. There you go, another video. So you can see, you guys can actually see that I was on top of this entire my traders, say subscribers, etc., they are constantly updated on these things. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, it went down. So again, they gained. Now here on the downside, I stayed put just for me to see the reaction on on the downside here on this lower channel on the base. So obviously we had a bullish reaction, A and then the B, and right after that, I mean during this B, I was actually, let's say, posting again, letting people know out on the upside, and there we go. It went again. Yeah, went on the upside, and now obviously reversed immediately from there. So as you can see, I was on top of it. Now the way I'm seeing this is as a W, X, and then A, B, C in a Y. The problem that I'm having right now is I don't like the way this triangle is located right here, making this an A, B, C. So therefore, free wave move. The only way it would move on the downside to be treated as a motive wave would be in an ending diagonal. Yeah. So if it's an ending diagonal, then it should obviously move on the downside. Now, still, let's say for instance, should history repeat itself from 1, yeah, if it's an ending diagonal, and we have an ABC on the upside here, meeting the fibs, possible head and shoulders formation right here. So same like the other time on the Federal Reserve on December 12th, the same outcome I'm saying that the same outcome could happen. Plus, we have a bearish divergence right here on the downside. Okay, so the way I'm looking at this thing is the dollar could complicate the structures. I mean, I posted some updates for my subscribers on the site, on the on everything, on forex, on Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Yen, USD, Swiss franc, etc. All of them. Yeah, gold, silver, oil, etc. Now the point is, um, if this move on the upside would occur, this would be, let's say for instance, if I would treat this as a triangle A, B, C, D, and then the E right here, let's say for instance, I would have a problem because this being an A, this being a B, the B is okay for it to move beyond past the end, beyond the start of A. It's okay, yeah, in a running contracting triangle. This being the C, yeah, the D and the E would not really fit right here so good. Anyhow, would keep that in mind. But even if it's a triangle, it's supposed to go down. Okay, so the same bearish outcome because triangles are a continuation pattern, so it's supposed to go down. Now, how I'm seeing this, and I'm gonna make this quick because we're running out of time here. Yeah, how I'm seeing things is this should be if it's going up, this should bounce around right here and gain support for a C wave impulse. But I would see this impulse as the last one before the fall, as the red arrow points out. Yeah. So let's see here. Now, if this thing starts coming down, I will watch this trend line because if it's broken, it's very bearish, and I will also look for a flag formation. This is how you guys can be prepared. Okay, so without further ado, I made some I made some updates. However, please, I mean, this thing can surprise. This is the main purpose of this video. So it can actually surprise the dollar index. I mean, the dollar itself. So extra caution is needed this week. Hence the reason for this video. Yeah. So if you guys need any help, message me in private or contact me via the site, etc. By the way, there's a free full Elliott Wave course, intermediate and advanced. It's free. Just go and take it, guys. Whoever is interested in that. I'm gonna leave you to it for now. And as I like to say to all my traders, stay in the green and many pips ahead. Bye for now.